Hey everyone! In this video I'm gonna briefly share about my two main methods of storing paper strips. This first method is one that I learned from Cecilia Louis here on YouTube. I've linked her video in the description below, so be sure to check it out. She also offers a free printable template to make it easier for anyone to create this storage system. So I've been using this method for over a year now, and I found it to be very practical and easy for me to keep my paper strips organized by colors. As you can see, there are separate pockets for the different colors, and also every color has 3 individual pockets so that you can easily store each paper strip, whether big or small, and not have to throw away the smaller bits of leftover paper. I also like how I can fold this plastic sheet where I keep the paper strips and just put it inside a container like you'll see me doing here, and have it close by on my table to easily access it when I need it. In that same wooden box container that you saw on my table, I also keep these paper strips. When I bought them, they were delivered to me just like this, sitting straight in their plastic sheet, which made them easier to be stored. My second storage system is this basket in which I store all my other paper strips, which come in plastic bags. I've been using it for the past more than 2 months, and it works very well for me. I used to keep my paper strip bags on top of each other inside a box, and it was harder to find the colors I needed because I had to literally dig through to find the color I wanted. But using this basket has allowed me to store them next to each other and easily see the colors and sizes of the paper strips. I keep the basket somewhere under my desk to have it in close reach. So yeah, that's about it. I hope that it could give you a little bit of inspiration for your own storage system.